Welcome to 5-Minute Tech Clash. Let's dive into a head-to-head feature comparison between the Amazfit Active 2 and the original Amazfit Active, and see which one stands out where. You can purchase both watches now through the links in the description below. Starting off with the display material, both watches come with vibrant AMOLED screens, so you're getting rich colors and deep contrast on either wrist. But when it comes to size, the Active 2 sticks with a more compact 1.32-inch display, while the Active stretches things out with a larger 1.75-inch screen. So if you're into a bigger viewing area, the original Active may catch your eye. Speaking of visuals, the Active 2 leads slightly in sharpness with a 466 by 466 pixel resolution compared to the Active's 390 by 540. It might not sound like much, but it does give the Active 2 a crisper appearance. In terms of pixel density, the Active 2 has 353 ppi, while the Active offers 341 ppi. Both are impressive, but again, a slight edge to the newer version. Now for screen protection. The Active 2 uses 2.5D tempered glass with an anti-fingerprint coating, which gives it a nice curved edge. The Active also includes tempered glass and the same anti-fingerprint layer, so you're covered on both for daily durability. On to battery capacity. The Active 2 packs a 270 mAh battery, while the Active goes a bit bigger with 300 mAh. That shows in usage time too. Active 2 offers up to 10 days of battery life, whereas the Active can last around 14 days. That's a nice bump if you hate charging frequently. Both watches use magnetic charging, so plugging in feels smooth and convenient either way. When comparing dimensions, the Active 2 has a display length and width of 43.9 millimeters, giving it a perfectly round face. The Active, however, is slightly narrower, with 42.36 millimeters length and 35.9 millimeters width, resulting in a more rectangular profile. As for thickness, the Active 2 is slimmer at 9.9 millimeters, while the Active is just a bit chunkier at 10.75 millimeters. Weight-wise, the Active 2 offers two versions. The premium edition weighs 31.55 grams, and the standard version is 29.5 grams. In contrast, the Active is even lighter, just 24 grams, or 27 grams if you pick the lavender purple model. When it comes to materials, the Active 2 boasts a more premium feel with a stainless steel bezel and a polymer middle frame. On the other hand, the Active uses aluminum alloy for the body and a plastic frame, still sleek but not quite as high-end. Button layout? The Active 2 includes two physical buttons for easier navigation, while the Active keeps things simpler with just one. Water resistance is tied. Both watches are rated 5 ATM, so you can confidently wear them during workouts or in the rain. For calls and voice commands, both include a microphone and speaker, which is great for smart functionality on the go. Under the hood, the Active 2 has the latest BioTracker 6.0 PPG sensor, while the Active comes with a standard PPG sensor. That means potentially better accuracy on the newer model. Both support 5 satellite positioning for accurate GPS tracking, which is great for runners or hikers. They also share Bluetooth 5.2 and common sensors like accelerometer, geomagnetic sensor, and temperature sensor. However, only the Active 2 has a gyroscope, barometer, altimeter, and ambient light sensor, so you're getting a more advanced sensor package there. Both watches sync with the Zepp app and support both Android and iOS devices, keeping things simple and versatile. Finally, if you're into fitness tracking, the Active 2 gives you access to over 164 sports modes, while the Active supports 120 plus. So if variety is what you're after, the newer watch takes the win. Awesome. Let's wrap it up by talking about something that always matters, the price. The Amazfit Active 2 comes in two versions. The standard model is priced at $99, but if you want the premium version with that extra polished feel, it's $129. On the other hand, the Amazfit Active is even more budget-friendly, coming in at just $89, not too much difference here. Amazfit Active 2 Pros, premium stainless steel build. More advanced sensors like gyroscope and barometer. Cons, smaller display, 1.32 inches, higher price, $99 to $129. Amazfit Active Pros, larger 1.75-inch screen, more affordable at $89. Cons, fewer sensors. Plastic frame feels less premium. Overall, the Amazfit Active 2 is the winner, thanks to its premium build, better sensors, and more advanced features. You can purchase both watches now through the links in the description below. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this comparison, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Your support means the world to me.